Hey, my cupcake fairies. It's your girl Chunky from. I'm back with another video. This video is another mini seafood boil. I have Dungeness crab and snow crab and corn and potato and sausage is what I have. Um, Let me show y'all. Here you go. The snow crab is under the Dungeness, and I have a few shrimp. So yeah, you guys. I was supposed to do this video early, record it. I was supposed to record it, edit it, and all that, and have it out for y'all today. But I didn't do that because I came home from dialysis and I laid down for a couple of actually what I normally do is when I could get home, I come home, take my son outside to use the bathroom. Then I bring him back in. I feed him, give him water, and then he normally plays and go to sleep. So I just lay down for a little bit and woke up in the worst pain ever. Like my lower back was like it was hurting so bad that it was going up my back to the back of my head, and I couldn't do anything. Right now it's about to be 3 in the morning, and I'm starving. So I came to give y'all what I promised: this seafood boil, or this mini boil. So let me pray. So please forgive me, you guys. Let me put my gloves on. Please forgive me. I'm gonna be doing another. Oh, that plate hot. I'm gonna be doing another seafood boil. Yes, I am. Because if you don't know, seafood is my favorite. It really is. So how are y'all doing? What y'all been up to? What's going on with y'all? I wanted to apologize for yesterday's video. Not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, on how I've been feeling. But I come to realize, even after talking to my grandma, like what's meant for me is meant for me. No, my stuff is not happening rapidly like I see everybody else's. No, I don't. It's not that, but it's their time. It's not mine. So I'm gonna just keep putting in the work. I'm gonna keep making these videos. I'm trying to get into vlogging more, which I am gonna start doing that. Even though I feel sometimes I'm uncomfortable vlogging because people stare. They looking at you walking around with a camera in your hand. Like what? Why is she doing that? But this is something I really want to do. I've been wanting to do it, and I'm happy doing it. First thing is a shrimp. Mm, so good. And if y'all hear anything in the background, my puppy is like right behind the camera. He's actually in his bed staring at me. And then yes, you guys, I finally found me a place. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm ready to move, to be honest. I will be doing a lobster video soon. Trying red lobsters. Not red lobster. Outback um, lobsters. Cause every video I see people eating Outback lobsters, it looks so good. We had a Ruby Tuesdays, but they closed. I didn't even know they closed, but they did. Um, today, well, yesterday treatment, it went all right. I had my blood pressures that keep dropping, so I really didn't get. I got what I had on off, but I like going for extra because it's the weekend. And that gives me more room to drink. Us dialysis patients, we're not supposed to have more than 32 ounces a day. Because if you drink too much, all that's what's happening, us being on dialysis, is that fluid is going around your heart. And that's something you don't want, and it's a terrible feeling. Because one, you feel like you can't breathe for nothing. This is so good. I put Rhonda's red sauce, well, her seasoning, garlic jalapeno over this, and it's so good. I have to order me some more. It gives the seafood a super. It's so tasty. Mm. Y'all mind if I just eat for a little second? Because I didn't eat anything yesterday, and I'm just getting up. Tomorrow video, it probably be something I ain't had in a long time, and I was inspired to do it because, honey, I haven't had it in a real long time. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat all this. So y'all, tell me what's been going on with y'all. What's the tea, honey? How my baby's doing? I really want to say thank you to all the new cupcake fairies. Thank y'all for rocking with your girl and supporting me. Like, I'm so blessed for y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. give me hope. Truly do. I thank everyone that has some that gives me word of encouragement. I'm so grateful. Hey, lay down. Lay down. I'm sorry, y'all. If you have a pet, you know how it is. I think I cooked these a little bit too long. It's alright though. I'm still finna eat them. Still finna eat them. OMG. I forgot the mic, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. And I really hope y'all can hear me and not that fan in the background going. Hold on, y'all. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Who 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 loves seafood? And if you do, which one do you like or love? I don't eat mussels or anything like that. I don't eat scallops neither. I don't eat neither one of the mussels. I don't eat. The only seafood I eat is crab, fish, and shrimp. That's it. That's all. If you haven't, I think her stuff, Ronda red sauce. I think her seasoning are out of stock. But when they get back in stock, y'all need to go get it. Y'all need to go cop it because it is so good. Mm, 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 mm. But I do want to stop right here and say, please, if you haven't, thumbs up this video, like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section because I love interacting with y'all. I love to comment back. And if you haven't and you're a silent viewer, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you punch that notification bell and turn it to all so you know every time I post another video, so you won't miss when I post another video. Yeah. And I just, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank all y'all that has been like literally supporting me and rocking with me. I'm so grateful. I'm truly, truly grateful. Thank you again. Now back to this one. So that's, food I want to try is Indian. But where I live at, there's no such a place. We don't have Indian food here. Everybody be making it look so good. Whew. Oh, that's another thing I'm gonna try. Crawfish. Everybody make those look so good too. So I want to try them and hope they're good. I'm so focused on this food, y'all. So I'm finna just eat. No meat left behind is my motto. Whole piece. This is so good. I want to also try the rice, sausage, and cucumber. My favorite crab is the Dungeness. That's why he going last. Guys, I'm slowing down. I'm getting full. Might be my last. That leg right there. One more leg and I'm gonna let y'all go. This video is actually a little bit long. It's real long. It's almost 30 minutes uh, of me just eating, barely talking. Y'all, I'm gonna get better of putting my food where y'all can see it. I want y'all to see my food. Alright, this is gonna be my last one. Alright, you guys. Whew. Alright, you guys. I just want to say thank you for coming and keeping me company while I ate my food. I also want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Hey, my cupcake fairies, how my baby's doing? I'm Chucky Funk, and I just thank y'all for all y'all love and support. If you haven't, please make sure you thumbs up this video, leave me a comment, and if you can, please share my videos so YouTube will start recommending them, and so the world can see this me. Alright, you guys. If you have not, please make sure you punch that notification bell and make sure it's all turned to all so you never miss when I post another video. Alright, my babies. I love you guys. Bye.